everyone, we are back with our new video. Today's video is regarding carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is formed when organic compounds are burned in the presence of oxygen, and these are the examples of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless and tasteless, flammable gas that is slightly less dense than air. It is also toxic to many animals. Carbon monoxide formula CO, which means it has one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen. This is the cycle for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide has two atoms of oxygen and carbon monoxide has a single atom of oxygen. Now about carbon dioxide versus carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a deadly gas. Thanks for watching to the end.